In today's video, I'll teach you how to use bulk create in Canva. Whether you're an experienced designer or brand new, this feature helps you create multiple designs at once and save tons of time. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into Canva. On the left-hand menu, look for the apps icon. It's right alongside templates and brand kit. Click it to open. Now, use the search bar inside apps and type bulk. You'll see bulk create appear in the results. Go ahead and click it. Next, you'll see an option to upload data. You can bring in a CSV file if you already have one prepared. But for now, let's enter data manually. Type in the text you want to use across your designs, like names, quotes, or product details. When you're done, click Done. Now, go back to your design. Click on a text box, then click the three dots for more options. Choose Connect Data and select the data you just entered. Repeat this for any other text boxes you want to link. Once everything is linked, click Continue. Canva will ask how many versions you want. For example, select Generate 5 designs and Canva will instantly create 5 unique versions with your data applied. Now preview the results. Each design uses your input data automatically. If you're happy, save or download them just like any Canva project. And that's it. You've successfully used Canva's bulk create feature to produce multiple designs at once. This tool is perfect for social media posts, invitations, product labels, or anything you need in bulk. Thanks for watching and happy designing.